Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these gorgeous holographic agate slice inspired earrings. So let's jump in and get started. I got these molds off Amazon. You can use these for pendants or earrings. They come in a pack of 3. So if you do want to make earrings, you're going to want to buy 2 sets of these molds, and I'll link them down below. So the set, as it's listed, comes with these 3 molds here. So you would want to buy another set to make earrings. So I ended up purchasing 2 sets off Amazon. I'm going to be using the Vivid Holo in Periwinkle from Island Micas and More. I'll link it down below as well. It's a gorgeous, super fine holographic powder, and it comes with the brush, this brush here that you use to apply it. And all you do is just paint it inside the mold. And I like to do the sides first, and then I'll go in and do the bottom. And you want to make sure that you get every little spot covered with this holographic powder. And Island Micas and More has several different colors available. I really love this periwinkle color, and the teal is also one of my favorites. So I'm just going in and painting everything with this periwinkle powder. And when you dip it into the little container, when you dip your brush into the little container, kind of tap off the excess right over the container before you go in and paint it into the mold. But you can see it gives you a really gorgeous holographic effect. So we'll go ahead and do one more, but it's the same process for each of your pendants. And then we'll start pouring the resin. I don't want to, do all of these on camera and completely bore you guys, but just go in and paint the bottom of your mold. And like I said, she has several different colors available, so you definitely check them out. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. And I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you use any of my links to go shopping on Amazon, it helps out my channel at no additional cost to you. So thank you so much for everyone who's used my Amazon links already. I appreciate you guys. It really helps out my channel a lot. So we're going to be using the Unicone art resin off Amazon as well. It's a medium viscosity resin, and it's great for jewelry and projects like this because it doesn't have a ton of bubbles. And when I use this, when I pour these, I like to use a paper cup, because you can pinch the end of the cup and get more of a controlled pour. Or a cup, a plastic cup or a silicone cup with a spout would work well too. So that way you can really control, because you don't want to overfill these. It gets really messy if you overfill the mold. So I'm just going in and filling up the molds with my resin. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. It's full of great information, and I show you step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments. And this Unicone art resin is a 1-to-1 ratio, and it works really well for projects like this. I didn't add any heat to these at all. I didn't spritz them with isopropyl alcohol. I did keep an eye on them, and I just went in with a toothpick and popped any bubbles that I did see that were forming inside the mold. And when you use clear resin like this, you can see the bubbles. So you can just go in with a little toothpick, kind of scoop the bubble out. And that's it. I just covered them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and now we're ready to demold them. So here is the kind of teardrop shape, and you can make these into pendants for necklaces or earrings or whatever kind of jewelry you want to make. I demolded these around the 18-hour mark, so they're still a little bit bendy. So you just want to lay them out on your table so they fully harden at the 24-hour mark. But we are going to go in and drill some holes on these to attach the earring hardware. So I like to do that around the 18-hour mark because it's easier to drill those holes before it's really super rock hard. So here's the medium-sized pendant. I think this shape is my favorite. I don't know. I like the larger shape pendant too, and this one. but they're all really pretty. Let me know which one down in the comments is your favorite of all the shapes. And if you pour black tinted resin into your mold instead of clear, the hollow powders will be more concentrated. And I do have a future video coming out using black tinted resin instead of clear, so you can really see the difference, but they're both still really pretty. So here is the largest of all the pendants. I really like the shape of this one too. I did overfill this mold a little bit, so you can see on the back there, but it literally just peels right off. If it's not coming off easily, you can take some nippers or some scissors and just cut that excess off of the back there. So you want to be careful not to overfill your molds when you're doing these, just because if you overfill them, it makes a little bit of extra work, but nothing that's not, manageable. So here are my earring back cards, and I get these off Amazon as well. With these, they come with these little plastic bags for packaging. And then you want to have needle nose pliers and jewelry hardware. You're going to want to use a large jump ring, smaller jump ring, and some earring hooks if you're making earrings. And I'll show you really quickly how I drill the holes. I just take my little handheld drill, grab the piece of jewelry, and drill the hole. Super simple and easy. I made these ombre earrings off camera. If you want to see a tutorial showing how I do the ombre effect, let me know down in the comments and I'll make a tutorial. Just for the purposes of demonstration, I took a baby wipe and wiped off the dust from drilling the hole, but you do want to take these and rinse them off because the water will penetrate that hole and get all the dust out of there from when you drilled your hole. So I just take my needle nose pliers, open up a large jump ring, attach that to the earring, close it up. Then I'm going to take a smaller size jump ring, open that up, attach that to the large jump ring that's on the earring already, attach my earring hook, close that up, and that's it. Attach or place the earrings on the card, and then they're good to go. I ran out of my silver hardware for these earrings, so I am going to be replacing these out with silver when I get those. And I ordered some sterling silver eye hooks off of Amazon and some split jump rings, so I'm going to be switching those out. And here I had a little bit of excess from this mold where I over poured it, so just go in and take some little nippers and you can just trim that right off. So if you do overfill it, it's no big deal. It trims right off pretty easy. And here's how they turned out. So this project is really easy. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Here are the finished purple earrings that we made in today's video, or periwinkle. So let's call this one number 1, and then let me know which one down in the comments is your guys' favorite shape, number 1, number 2, or number 3. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorite videos at the end card screen of this video. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video and you can go check it out. So we'll call this one number 2, or the one that you were just seeing number 2, and this one number 3. I did a little sneak peek of these, and almost everyone said that this shape here was their favorite size, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye guys.